Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go. We were being defeated by a very dirty CD. So let's try that again, shall we? I'm going to press on X on the remote. Let's see. Or start. X, start. I don't know, something. Something other than nothing. The CD was really dirty, like really dirty. And now it's making that sound, but looks like something else is going to happen. It says, important information, don't switch off your system when you see this symbol or when HDD access indicator is flashing. Okay, I won't. I promise, I'll be good. So what am I supposed to do? Just wait forever?
Likey